feel like I'm in a vineyard in California.
Okay.
Just waltzing with my corporate man.
Say that one more time.
Hi guys, welcome back. My name is Emma. Lana asked me to come on and show you guys how I put in and style my 3C ponytail. I also am showing you guys how I achieve a really cute top knot bun. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I do so, then just keep watching. Okay you guys, so this is my natural hair. We're on day 3 of a twist out, so it's a little rough. But what I'm gonna do is show you guys how I put on the ponytail so it lays flatter to my head. But I'm gonna divide the hair into 4 sections and do individual twists just to help keep the volume down at the base of the ponytail. And if you have longer or more hair than I do, you might have to do more twists. You just kind of have to gauge it for your own natural hair, but this is what I do for mine. Okay, so now that I have these beautiful twists in my head, what I'm going to do is take all of them and lay them flat at the back of the base of the ponytail and pin them down with a bobby pin just so they stay out the way. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the 3C ponytail. This is the ponytail before I have styled it, so it comes out super defined. So the ponytail out the package comes with these 2 clips right here, one at the top, one at the bottom, and then the 2 ribbons. So I'm gonna go ahead and flip the ponytail and take the clip at the top and clip it to the top of the base of my ponytail on my head, and then I'm gonna take the back one and clip it down. And so then I'm gonna go ahead and take the ribbon and I'm going to tie it around the base of the ponytail. Lana ties the ribbon first. I do it last just because I think it's secure that way for me, but you can do whichever way you want to do it. And then when I get to where there's barely any ribbon left, I'll twist it one more time. I'm gonna take one more bobby pin and pin it down. And that is how I put on the ponytail before I have styled it. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like when I have the ponytail fluffed out. So when you get the ponytail, as you can see, it comes super defined, but you can always fluff it out to make it have a lot more volume and to make it look like the website. So what I do is I just take little sections here, and even just kind of pulling apart the section, you can see it kind of gets more volume. And all I do is kind of fluff out each little section here. If I see a piece being too defined, I can always just separate it out and get some more volume. And as you can see, the hair really is easy to detangle. There's like no tangles, I'm not getting any shedding or anything like that. But you can see I'm obviously getting more volume over here. Okay, and so this is what the hair looks side by side. So as you can see, this is our separated and voluminous and fluffed out version of the hair, and this is the more defined version of the hair. Still tangle free, super pretty. Okay, and this is what the 3C ponytail looks like. I love it like this. It makes it look super natural, and of course you can always make it bigger or you can make it more defined if you want to. All I did to the ends of this was add the curl maker just to make the ends look nice and soft and defined. Lana has a video on how she defines her 3C ends and does it with the curl maker, and you guys can see that link below in the description box. But yeah, I love this hair and this style. I love to wear my hair up during the weekdays when I go to work or when I run errands, and so this makes a super quick and easy way for me to look nice and cute on the go. Now I'm going to show you guys what I usually do with my top knot. I always wear a top knot bun when I go to the gym in the morning, and I always use this hair. It's super quick and easy. So So all you want to do is I take the hair after I've clipped it in and I start to twist it right in the middle of the bunch of hair right here. And I like to have my twists pretty tight so I can have a nice and compact bun. So I just keep twisting it. And then I just wrap it around itself like so. And you're gonna have little pieces of hair stick up kind of at the top of the bun, and that's okay, we'll pin it down later. So then I just like to wrap it around itself like so, and then pin it in the back, kind of pin it, and then see where I want it squished a little bit. So sometimes I like my bun like this big, sometimes I don't. So if you want your bun a little smaller and less poofy, you can always take little ends that are sticking up and pin them down. So that's what I'll do. And I love wearing this to the gym just because it doesn't get sweat in the hair. And when you have hair extensions, especially curly hair extensions, you don't want sweat on them, like at all. Like no, you don't want to dry it out. So I'm gonna take another bobby pin. And pin it down. It just takes like 3 or 4 bobby pins. And if you have any little flyaways, it's super easy because you can just like tuck them in and bobby pin them down if you need to. But yeah, this is the top knot bun or whatever you want to call it. I think it's super quick and easy. Good everyday hair if you like to have your hair out of your face. And I love this look and love to rock it literally like 4 days a week. Okay, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was nice and easy to follow. You can always get this ponytail, the 3C ponytail, on kurlyklips.com. Make sure you guys are subscribed to this YouTube channel for more videos, and you can always follow Kurly Klips on Instagram for more inspiration, and you can always follow me if you'd like to do that. I'm the Emma Elise on Instagram and here on YouTube, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.